Hi, Jolly Reviews here. Gonna eat these peppers because you guys subscribed and got me over 100 subscribers. So here we go. One. Ooh. Wow, I'm eating these peppers. Have any of you guys tried the Baja Mango Jam? Man, pretty good. I like it. It's like Baja Blast and LimeWire mixed together. Pepper number 2. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for all you guys have done. Hope you guys like the content I'm putting out. I think I can eat one more pepper, and that would make 3. One more for you guys. There you guys go. I ate 3 peppers for you guys. 3 jalapenos. I know it's not a lot, but hey, a little bit hot. And thanks for the likes, comments, and subscribing. Y'all have a jolly day.